Namaskar. What is the root of happiness? Why do we become happy? It is in the human nature. I can describe the basis of happiness with one word. Can you guess? What word is that? When you really feel happy. When do you really feel that? One word describes that. Progress. When there is a movement from imperfection to perfection, when there is this slide, when there is a shift, at that exact moment of shifting, exact moment of sliding, at that moment, as if light sparkles within you. There is a spark, there is a quant of energy awakened in you. Whether it is in physical or intellectual or spiritual. In any of those areas, you move, you slide, you shift, you make a step up. At that moment, you feel happiness. Just like a light. Just like a light. And let's say you live 100 years, maybe now, with all the modern medicine, we are going to live 200 years, who knows? So in those 100 years, how much illuminated your life is? It depends on the progress. If you do every day a progress, a movement, a shift, however small it is, you get those quants of light, you get those photons, you get those sparkles, you get those fires in your life. And your life is illuminated. So to achieve progress, what is the first and foremost thing? You need to have energy to grow. That energy of growth, what is the other word for it? It is inspiration. Inspirational energy. Most important. Most important. If you have that one, it will manifest in intellectual progress and it will manifest in physical progress also. That inspiration you get by attempting to move in the spiritual area, in the spiritual sphere. So inspiration is most important. How you get inspiration, how you get that, is a mysterious thing. It's spiritual. So you get it by meditation. You do meditation if you concentrate hard enough. You do it regularly with utmost sincerity. The result is inspiration. The doors and windows of the mind gets opened. And suddenly you see the light, you see the path. That's a beautiful thing. This is what is the life. Just suddenly you see, okay, I know. We will build a house. You get inspiration. If you get inspiration, you will build a house. If you get inspiration to get a profession, you will get a profession. If you get inspiration to earn money, you will earn money. If you get inspiration to serve society, you will serve society. Everything starts from that. And if you have all the resources, but inspiration is lacking, you cannot do anything. So this is the first thing, the inspiration. And it comes from the word inspiration. 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 You, not expiration, not from outside, but from inside. So you have to go inside to become inspired. You go to the spirit, to the spiritual sadhana, spiritual effort, and then you will have inspiration.